Combine fired up, tractor's fired up. We had a bit of issues with the battery. Somebody, meaning me, left the fan on last night and completely killed that battery. So we got another set of trains here. Okay, coffee time. I don't have anybody to run the grain buggy for me right now, which is no big deal at all, but we're just gonna pull it out here and set it out in the field. Oh, loving life. It's a little chilly. Bring this in here. This. And we're off. We're filling up the back. Looking good. Monday morning, I'm happy to announce that we're gonna be back to some construction stuff now. I ended up blowing a water pump on the combine on Friday. Kind of sucks, but again, I guess that's just farming. That's what happens when you buy older equipment, but hey, the new stuff breaks too. Little updates for you guys in the construction stuff. We ended up getting the OA triaxle back. It has a brand new air dryer on it. The airbag got fixed. We had a governor valve. It's a brass fitting on top of the compressor that it was like making a really weird noise, allowing air to escape. It got fixed on the weekend, so it's good to go. There's still something in the oil that we're not sure of. It's not really the best time to be buying a new truck, but again, that's a conversation that we're always open to have. We're headed down right now to a huge job that we're doing. We ended up actually having to excavate this house way more than we originally planned, just because the materials that were underneath the foundation, they weren't native, so we had to dig down like 7 or 8 feet. I just texted the guys. I said, what do you guys need? They all said, bring coffees with you. So we're headed down there right now, and we'll catch you guys whenever we get there. Let's do it. What's up?
You videotaping me? I didn't do hair and makeup.
Oh, I got egg McMuffies and coffees.
Holy snap. Hey, why don't you pull over on that side over there?
Yeah, why don't I pull over on that side so I'm not blocking the truck?
Well, that way work can keep going.
Yeah.
Oh. Happy Monday!
Wow, that's stone ever weird.
Yeah, it is. Stone's like plastic.
Because we're in a different area, the stone is different up here. It's a different type of rock, and that's one of the reasons I came up here. Is I'm gonna hop in with one of the trucks, and I'm gonna go to the pit and show you guys what a different pit in a different area looks like. This stuff looks like, it almost looks like the stuff that the guys use down south on YouTube.
It looks like blasted concrete to me.
Yeah. See how it's all orange? Like normally ours is like gray.
Yeah,
like that
ours.
stuff. Yeah.
That's ours.
Like exactly. Yeah. So that's ours. And that's what they got. So how many loads did we take out of here?
28, 30.
And then how many loads did we bring in so far?
We brought in 2, 4, 6. We're at 6.
And you need?
Probably 30.
Yeah. There's piggy bank. That's the new word for that triaxle. We're gonna call it piggy bank because all it's good for right now is costing me money. We're calling that truck piggy bank now.
We call it empty piggy bank?
Yeah, empty piggy bank, yeah. We're gonna hop in with Andrew and head to the pit now. Clean my seat. Oh yeah, baby.
You mind passing my hairnet?
Don't miss any shifts, eh?
Watch that rock.
What rock?
Yep.
Oh, all right, to the pit. All right, we're pulling in here. Those are the scales. And then this is the pit. Do you have any windshield washer fluid?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. What's that darker stuff over there to the left?
Right here?
Yeah.
That's asphalt grindings.
That's asphalt grindings?
Yeah. I don't, you'll see it when we go out, but there's a whole chunks of asphalt all over here against the wall.
Huh.
And they crush it up once in a while.
Wow. Yeah, they got lots of, well, that's a older cat over there. This one looks a little newer.
Yeah, that's a 988F.
988F?
Yeah.
That's a big loader.
Yeah. This one's newer, it's an M.
I'll stay in the truck. And then over there is our brand new 2021. That's why it's good to have tinted windows. Andrew's been with us for, I think he's on his 5th or 6th month with us. He started this year with us, and he's been a really, really great employee, a really true asset to the company. Always wants to put in the hours, wants to help out on the weekends, will stay late when he can. It's really hard to find guys like Andrew. So, Andrew, if you're watching this, you're a good worker. But don't let that go to your head. You still gotta work hard. Oh, this is now drone number 4 that I've broke. Cracked it right there. 21.95 tons. And people always ask, Andrew, what's the legal weight for this truck? 22?
21 and a half.
21 and a half.
36,000 pounds. For this truck.
For this truck, yeah. This truck has a C12?
13.
C13 cat motor in it with an Eaton Fuller 18-speed transmission. A lot of you guys were asking about what's in this truck. It's a nice big cat motor. They do make bigger ones, they make smaller ones, but our highway tractor, what's it have?
It's a C13 as well.
They're both C13s.
But this is a C13 Acer with a twin turbo.
C13 Acer with a twin turbo.
And our highway tractor is just a single turbo.
Oh. All right, thanks for the tour, Andrew.
Yep, anytime.
See ya. Yeah, so what Corey's doing now is he's packing all this material in lifts, and we have an engineer on site that is actually being paid to sit here, do compaction tests, make sure the material's all gonna pass. We've had this super pack 54-inch drum roller for as long as I can even remember. I think that we've probably had this for, I'm gonna say 15 years. Might be time to buy a new one. Well, we did the largest haul of merch. This stuff that isn't on the website, unfortunately. This is stuff just for my business, for the guys to wear, for the employees, people in the office. Man, look at all this stuff. So we got all these boxes here. There's a couple boxes there. And then there's even more in here. Full, full, full. There's another one down there and over there. Oh, baby. Organizing. Look at these. Oh, wow. All the way, and you can sit back and you can sit here and you can just chill. Okay, did not mean to do that. Oh, God. Oh, man. So as you guys saw in some of those clips earlier before, you would know that we ended up getting some new gear here for the guys. But after looking at the footage and reviewing it, I'm kind of upset because it's like you guys can't get your hands on any of that stuff, and that bugs me. So sweaters that are just like this are actually down below in the link for the merch. I actually just designed them. We just went through them. I ordered 3 personally myself, and they're on their way. They're the KWC work hoodie. They're high vis, just like this, with our logo on it, and on the back it says Chem Construction. Somewhere down the line we will be doing a giveaway with, I'll order a bunch more stuff, but we'll do that closer to Christmas time, so it's something to look forward to. We woke up today to a bunch of snow on the ground. We got about 2 or 3 inches last night. It's melting off now. It's supposed to warm up near the end of the week, but you know, welcome to Canada. Thank you guys for touring along, following along in the video, and thank you guys for watching all the farming videos. I really appreciate that. Take care, and we will catch you guys on the next one. But of course, I didn't forget about you guys, the true patriots of the channel that watch the entire videos to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those true patriots, I want you guys to comment down below, orange gravel? Why are you guys commenting down below orange gravel? Well, after looking at the footage, I laughed because orange probably wasn't the best way to describe that gravel, but we're gonna stick with it. So if you guys watched the entire video to the very end, comment down below orange gravel. I appreciate you guys. We'll catch you on the next one. As always, take care.